achiel mag oganda Jokenya koro dwaro mi jatend piny Kenya William Ruto mondo yier Anne Amadi kaka jakom manyien mar duol matayo yiero pacho ka IEBC mana ndalo bura bang' dadho jogo eko manonyiso dwaro margi e kawo komno. Ma oyangi kod kambi matimo nonro mar TIFA ka jatend piny Kenya koro nitie gi ndalo 7 mar walo jakom manyien mar commissioners mag IEBC. Kaluwore gi nonro mar TIFA, thoth oganda Jokenya onge kod yie ni yiero mabiro mar 2027 ibiro tim e yo mahuyanga.
Thinking about the last 3 presidential elections and the person who was announced the winner, which ones of these do you think the real person who got the most votes fairly won? And you could see that nearly a third, 32% of Kenyans say in all 3 of those elections, 2013, 2017, 2022, the result was not correct. The same percentage, a third, think that all 3 were correct. And the remaining, slightly more than a third, 37%, think, well, maybe 1 was correct or 2 correct, but not all. And we asked them, of these 4, which one do you prefer to be appointed as IEBC chair? And you can see, in first place, by quite a margin, is Anne Amadi, former registrar at the Supreme Court, followed by Charles Nyachai, the former chair of the Constitutional Implementation Commission, and then Mr. Ethekon, who I think has been a lawyer for Turkana County, and Mr. Ramadan